Okay, we're doing part two, I imagine. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna see if this thing will light. It's fully assembled now. So there it is. Looks pretty good. Just gonna back it up and see what we get here. Okay, I'm gonna pump it up and see what happens. Alright, well, let's see the light. There we go, there's one burner. I'm gonna let that heat up for a sec. See how that goes. Flaring up's okay. Let that warm up a little. Kill this light. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to turn this down. Try lighting the second burner. Awesome. Looks good. I'm going to put that light back on. Okay. Really clean burning. Looks awesome. A lot of fun doing it. A lot of work. But end result, yeah. I mean, just about a 40-year-old stove, and really took nothing but time. Dollar investment was paint and steel wool. Just fun to do. Yeah, that'll cook your vittles, eh? Burners look awesome. Alright, I have several more Coleman products to work on, so I'll probably have some more videos. So thanks for watching.